The siding was being cut on a chop saw by Pedro's nephew and passed up to him to install. His work that day meant he had to step from the pump jack plank to a small roof next to the pump jack and back again as he worked across the front of the house. He took the pump jack plank a few inches above the level of the roof. This would prove to be disastrous. Pedro was able to negotiate the difference in height between the pump jack and the roof several times without incident. For a guy with no formal or informal training in the installation of siding, Pedro did very well. Until he tripped on the raised plank, stepping from the roof up to the pump jack. It all happened so fast. Let's look at that again from a different angle. He fell only about 12 feet, but there was no chance he could catch himself. Pedro's head hit some waste concrete, and he was knocked unconscious. Fortunately, his fellow workers didn't try to move him. They called 911, and the fire department aid car responded quickly. Pedro suffered a concussion, and later would learn that he broke his back and damaged the spinal cord. These men were professionals. They knew exactly what to do. They must first stabilize him, keep him from moving. They didn't want to cause his injury to worsen because of the movement. They kept him calm, reassured, and encouraged him. The paramedics knew from training and experience that there was the potential for a spinal cord injury. The paramedics recruited his fellow construction workers to help make the journey to the aid car smoother for Pedro.